You guys all sleeping? Mama's changed your bed over. Well, Grammy's changed your bed over. Mama's in trying to get the bed all ready for you to come back in. What you doing, Sophie? Sophie, what you doing? You trying to nest for him, make it comfortable? Sophie, what you doing? Sophie, okay, Mama, what you doing? What you doing? Mama's gonna weigh your puppies today. They're 2 weeks old. 2 weeks ago, you were giving birth to these little boogies. You're the pudger. You're the pudger of the bunch. Here, let's pull him out. Let's see if we can get his face out here. There we go, baby. Oh, where you going? Oh, get nice and comfortable. You go, well. There we go. Oh. Let's pull her out. Come on, little girly girl. You're the only girl in the bunch. Let's get your little cute face out here. Oh. Hi, baby sweetheart. Hi, little baby girl. Hi, little baby girl. You guys are tired. Why so tired?